Hello everyone and welcome to the Age. So continuing with trigonometry under general solutions, here we would be asked to get the general solution of the given equation. So find general solution, right? Okay, cool. Let me just erase this. So looking at this, right? We have, let me rewrite it. We have cos 2x is equal to 3 over 4 minus sine squared x. For general solution, like I said, we want to make sure that we have a single trig ratio. Here we have both cos and sine. We only want to have either just only cos or only sine. So which one how we're going to manipulate this to only get one trig ratio? Firstly, between cos and sine, what is it that we can change? We can change sine squared x to 1 minus cos squared x, right? But the problem is that, yeah, we only have a single x as an angle. Yeah, we have 2x. So we always, when you see a trig ratio that doesn't have a single angle, like in this case for sine, it's only x. Yeah, it's 2x. Go and work with the one that has 2x, 3x, 4x, that doesn't have a single angle or a single variable, if I would say, right? So 2x is the one that doesn't have a single, like there's a 2 there. So we probably just want to change this one. And we can see that it is a double angle, right? Why do I keep on pasting that? So let us go ahead and look at our double angle formulas, which should be somewhere here. Okay, there they are. And then, so now we have three forms of cos 2 angle. We have to choose the one that is going to only have sine, because we only want to work with one trig ratio. We already have sine here, so we might as well change this cos to something that is going to have sine. So if we change that, it's going to be 1 minus 2 sine squared x is equal to 3 over 4 minus sine squared x. Cool. So now let's transfer everything to one side. Okay, I'm going to transfer everything to this side. So it's going to be 2 sine squared x minus sine squared x plus 3 over 4 minus 1 is equal to 0. I hope I am not mistaken there. So it's sine squared x, because 2 sine squared x minus sine squared x is just going to be 1 sine squared x. 3 over 4 minus 1 is minus a quarter, which is equal to 0, right? And then if we rewrite these, you will see that it's sine squared x squared minus 1 over 2 squared, right? And what can we see here? Difference of two squares. So we know that automatically with difference of two squares, you write the terms as is on two brackets, but with different signs in the middle, right? Then you equate to 0. Let me just underline this. And then now we're going to get the general solution for both of these brackets, right? So for the first bracket, it's sine x is equal to a half. Once you take this negative over there, and then yeah, it's going to be sine x is equal to negative a half, right? Let's call this 1, let's call this 2, and let's continue here. So for 1, the reference angle is equal to, let's pull out our calculator and say shift sine of half, ignoring the sign of the given number, right? But in this case it's already positive, so we're good. So the reference angle is 30. Looking at our quadrant, since yeah, it's positive for half, the all quadrant and the side quadrant are the only ones that is where sine is going to be positive. So yeah, the form is going to be at the R quadrant, it's going to be angle. It's going to be 180 degree minus angle. And we already have angle, which is this reference angle, right? So the first solution would be 30 degree plus k dot 360 degree. Second solution, we're going to use this form over here. So it's 180 degree minus, so this angle, it's the reference angle, plus k dot 360 degrees. X is equal to 150 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees. Cool. So for number 2, it's essentially the same thing. It's the same reference angle because both are 1 over 2, 1 over 2, and with a reference angle we ignore the signs. So in any case it would also be shift sine a half as well. So ref angle is also equal to 30. But now the difference is that, okay, we have to see at which quadrant will sine be negative. It's going to be at the C and the T, right? Yeah, it was working with where it's positive. Now here we're working with where it's negative because of this negative over here. Now we have to take it into consideration, and we know that at the 10 form we have 180 degree plus form, and at the cos quadrant it's 360 degrees minus. So let's work with the 180 degree plus first. So it's 180 degrees plus reference angle is 30 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees is equal to 210 plus k dot 360 degrees. And then the second solution is 360 degrees minus 30 degrees plus k dot 360 degrees. X is equal to 330 plus k dot 360 degrees, right? So these are your answers, right? Remember, just keep on following this rule of getting the reference angle first, looking at your cos diagram, where is it positive or negative, where the trig ratio is positive or negative, depending on which one you're given, and then everything will just flow like butter, essentially. And even here, you must also look how can you manipulate the equation in that you only get one trig ratio, like we ended up getting here. In this case, we got 2 of them, but that's also fine, right? And yeah, thank you very much, guys.